Are you struggling with installation issues while using the WiX Burn Bootstrapper? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common problem where installations fail due to antivirus scans, and I'll show you how to tackle it. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your installation process is interrupted by antivirus software. Many users have faced similar challenges, especially with programs like Avast and AVG. You're definitely not the only one experiencing this. Let's take a closer look at the specific situation. One user recently reported that their installation fails after testing various free antivirus programs. They suspect that the cyber capture feature is causing delays during the installation process. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing these installation failures? It seems that the antivirus software is performing quick scans on the executable files, which can lead to delays and even failures. This might be linked to recent security updates aimed at preventing DLL hijacking. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that could save you a lot of headaches when dealing with antivirus software and installations. To address the installation failure caused by the antivirus software, the user should first check the installation log for any specific error messages. This log can provide insights into what went wrong during the installation process. Next, the user should ensure that all components of the installer are properly signed. While the main installer is signed, any unsigned executables or dynamic link libraries could trigger the antivirus software to block the installation. If the user continues to experience issues, they should consider temporarily disabling the cyber capture feature in Avast or AVG. This feature can delay the installation process by scanning files multiple times. Finally, if the problem persists, the user may need to submit their installer for whitelisting by the antivirus vendors. This can help prevent future blocks during installation. Fun fact, did you know that antivirus software can sometimes be more of a hindrance than a help? It's like having a security guard who checks your ID every time you enter your own house. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. Another user has encountered a similar issue with Avast Cybersecurity and DeepScan blocking their Burn executable. They confirmed that they signed the executable and the MSI using an official code signing certificate. However, they found that without the Burn, the MSI runs smoothly. They suggest that perhaps a custom Bootstrapper application could work better, or they might consider creating their own executable to handle the MSI installation. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Regularly update your antivirus software and keep your installer files signed. This can significantly reduce the chances of installation failures in the future. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to overcome those pesky installation issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and remember to share your experiences in the comments.